A rock on Mars looks so much like a giant turtle that scientists had to remind themselves it isn't. It's about 15 meters wide, and what's sitting on top of it is weirder than the shape itself. That rounded cap of orange sand sitting right on the peak. It didn't just land there. Wind has been piling Martian dust onto this rock's highest point, and the real question is why the rock itself is still here at all. Everything around it has been ground down and swept away. Something about this particular mound made it tougher than its neighbors, harder, denser, more resistant, and the wind just kept carving everything else until this was all that was left standing. Look at the rock face here on the upper right. Those aren't random cracks. Those are layers. Geologists call this stratification, and on Earth, you'd see the same thing in canyon walls or river cliffs. Each band represents a different moment in time. Sand blown in, settled, then slowly hardened by water seeping through the ground. We're looking at a record of Mars's past, written in stone, one thin page at a time. Curiosity spotted this on its 4,922nd Martian day of exploring. That's over 13 Earth years on the same planet. Now look at the ground below the mound. Those flat, dark slabs scattered everywhere, thin, angular, almost like someone dropped a stack of roof tiles. That's what the surrounding rock looked like before the wind had its way with it. Miraflores is just the last one standing. Scientists have a name for landforms shaped this way: yardangs. You can find them in the Qaidam Desert in China. Same wind, same patience, same result, just on a completely different planet. A rover named Curiosity, rolling across a planet 225 million kilometers away, stopped in front of a rock that looks like a turtle and helped us read a history of ancient water and wind written in its walls. We gave it a name: Miraflores. We named a rock on Mars. What does it mean that feels completely natural to do? We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the selector finds next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.